All types of film have organic components, which, like all organic materials over time, decay. As film ages, it not only deteriorates photochemically, but also accumulates artifacts. The film shrinks, causing instability and warping. The image fades, producing flicker and reduced tonal range. Copying increases grain and contrast, and a tropical climate promotes mold. Repeated handling over time introduces dirt, scratches, and other physical artifacts. Thankfully, these defects can now be repaired using modern digital image processing technology, or digital restoration. Each film frame is scanned at the highest resolution with full tonal range to produce a series of digital files that exactly match the original film frames. These files are then processed using a combination of software algorithms and manual image retouching by highly skilled restoration artists. Stabilize the images and remove warping, flicker, excessive grain, mold damage, dirt and scratches, effectively reversing damage that the film has suffered. Judiciously deployed, these tools restore images, enabling them to be preserved as high-quality digital images forever.